Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, we have another video of the... So I'm not sure what episode this is, but in this episode, we're going to be removing my side steps. Since I am decently tall, they serve no purpose to me. So I just want to get them off the Jeep and see what it looks like. As you can tell, it is pretty dark out. I'm not sure how good quality will be, but it's the only really time I have to film it. So for this part, I believe I just need a 10mm socket, which I have right here, and just gonna try to see if I can get these bolts out. Definitely need to do some rust work, I think, but we'll get to that when we get to it. It's getting chilly. Just want to do some of the small things right now. So this is what it looks like right now with the step. So as you can see for this removal, I'm just using this Hyper Tough socket set. I got it at Walmart for like 10 bucks. Wasn't too bad. So as you can see with my trial and error method, it didn't go to plan. I completely forgot about the brackets holding the actual steps. The step is right there. So I'm gonna try to figure this whole thing out, and hopefully the next time you see me in this video, I will have these brackets taken off. And there we are. I was able to get this one side done. I will have to do the other side in the morning because it is kind of getting late. And I'll show you guys in the daytime tomorrow, better look at kind of what we're working with. But as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner without that bottom step. I was finally able to get those brackets and steps off, and I think it looks very clean. So as you can see, it is daytime now, and we have the driver's side step to take off. So I'm going to do my best to get this off real quick and then show you guys the final product, since I kind of showed you how to take the other side off. We have the step off. As you can see, these are just covered in surface rust, so I'm happy I'm actually taking these out, sand them down, fix them up in case I do decide one day I want to put them back on. This one's really bad also, as you can see, just all of these flakes. But now we're gonna get inside here and take those bolts off right there. And for this part of taking the bolts off, you definitely need a longer attachment like this one, just so you can, I'll show you right here, just so you can really get over that bolt and really hook on there, just because there is that screw sticking out. And just like that, we have the first bolt off. As you can see, we were able to get both of the bolts off. It's better, like as you can see, it's very tight in there, so you gotta be careful on how you're doing it. And boom, here we are. This is just the bracket piece. As you can see, mine is super rusted. It's all surface rust though, nothing to worry about. And that's what it should look like after. And then you just take this piece out, super easy. And just like that, we have these side steps off. Here's what the Jeep looks like with them off. I think it looks a lot cleaner. First I gotta fix up that rust down there. We'll get there. I'm not too worried about it, but I think it looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below and don't forget to subscribe if you want. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.